Well, that was some kind of an intro. I've been wanting to do that. Hi there, sisters. If you are already 50 years old and older, you're probably experiencing this one. So I'm sharing my tips today about how you can keep your skin looking young and actually feeling young despite your older age. Welcome to my channel, my lovely sisters. As always, I'm here to inspire you to feel empowered, to embrace your age, to embrace your physical, your mental struggles, your imperfections, because we can stay healthy and we can be proud of ourselves, and that's the stuff that we are made of. Okay, I have a huge secret to reveal at the very end of this episode, but I'd like to talk about the details step by step, and then that way we all have our glowing skin. I just turned 60 on August 20th, and I've always been asked how I stay youthful. And I think aside from smiling and smiling always and smiling again and again, I try to take care of my skin. If you think my channel is going to help you down the road or right now, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment. I would love to hear from you, and share. And then that way we can inspire one another and I can be of help. First of all, clean your face thoroughly in the morning and at night, whether or not you're going to take a shower at that very moment. When you come home from work or from anywhere else outside, you have to wash your face thoroughly. And in the morning, even if you know you're going to have a shower in a few minutes, still wash your face. Okay, how do we wash our face? Well, I grew up using bar soap, like unscented bar soap, but I realized that these ones in bottles are actually safer and cleaner because of course they're sealed. I use Avene. Now you can use anything that's in the drugstore, whatever's available. If your skin is allergic to some chemicals, just make sure you watch out that those ingredients are not there. Okay, this is what I've been doing all these years. I first wash my face with warm water, as warm as I could, because I want the pores to open, and that way any oil or dirt that's caught under the skin, you know, gets removed. Then I would use my liquid soap, and then of course wash that really thoroughly, and then I rinse again with warm water. I want to keep the pores open so that, again, to let out whatever is still in the pores. And then when I feel that it's already thoroughly washed or rinsed, then I'm going to rinse with cold water, as cold as it can get, as cold as my skin can take. And I do that twice a day. Now, every quarter, I use an ice rub. You know, I like that feeling. You know, I just rub ice after my rinsing. I like to close the pores. Doing so tightens the pores. Well, you feel the pores are closing up, right? After washing your face, you want to pat your face dry with a towel. Pat. Don't rub. I've never rubbed my face since I was like 20. As soon as I knew that that could hurt your skin, I would just pat my skin dry. Now this one I haven't been using all my life. I only started to use this last March, and I noticed how good it actually works. But trust me, this is supposed to be part of your daily skin care routine. Serum. I use Elizabeth Grant, but then you can always use whatever's in your drugstore. I just put a thin layer on my face. The deepest wrinkles are here, so I put there, and then I put where I have some dark blemishes. After that, I put eye cream, and again, you can use whatever brand you have. And this one I put around my eyes, but mostly under here. I don't really mind having dark circles around my eyes or puffs because that comes with age, right? So yeah, but otherwise it helps if you have that. If you don't, that's fine. What's very important is moisturizer, and I use one for the day and another one for evening. You can see I'm using Elizabeth Grant. This is not a paid sponsorship, but I actually bought Elizabeth Grant for the first time last March, and I've been using it all this time, like 5 months now, and really the difference is spectacular. Well, moisturizers are really important, especially when we're getting older. You know, our skin becomes dry, we get wrinkles, and of course, collagen production decreases. Collagen is like that net that keeps our skin together. So without collagen, like of course, you can expect the worst can happen. Sagging skin, dry skin, wrinkles, blemishes, name it, name it. We can have it, ladies. So be very, very aware of that. And you know how I think that I was able to keep some moisture and keep some collagen on my skin going is because whenever I would put moisturizer or whenever I would apply cream or foundation or anything like that, I always follow the circular upward motion everywhere. It's like massaging your face. So it's sort of rehydrating your cells. When you're buying a moisturizer, make sure it has retinol. Like this one says retinologist. Retinol is like a derivative of vitamin A. You know, when we go out, our skin can get damaged by the sun and everything, dirt, pollution, things like that, skin pigmentation, wrinkles. Retinol helps to repair the skin. Well, that's what I have experienced. So just make sure you have that because it also helps in the production of collagen. Now, when we want to remove excess makeup, for example, during our skincare routine, we want to use the proper cleaning agents. Like I have this eye makeup cleanser, and I also have this overall cleanser. I put a lot on my cleansing pad, or I also use cotton balls, like whichever. If I'm trying to wipe away eye makeup, then I use cotton balls. I don't need so much. Okay, now I promised you I was going to give you a really, really big surprise at the end because this is what happened. And this is why I decided to use serum, because until March of this year, I had really dark pigmentations here. These were very, very dark. I could not even hide them with foundation. And I started to get so miserable and so like, oh my gosh, what's going on? And of course, it was pigmentation. And my pharmacist even said she made this cream for me. What a lovely lady. But she did tell me that it may not go away because of my age. Okay, I was resigned to the fact this is my fate. This is life. But then I tried to use serum. I would put this religiously on here like I was supposed to, right? But then I realized that actually this has lessened my pigmentation. So that's the big secret I'm sharing with you today. If you have a skin pigmentation, serum, ladies. Yes, I am so happy. I'm so happy. Jesus is alive. There is hope for me. I'm 6 years old and I managed to get that pigmentation decrease. Okay, so there you go. I hope that my skin tips are gonna help you keep your skin glowing. If you're under 50, you can definitely preserve that skin. Learn from me, learn from my experience, learn from my struggles. And if you're above 50 and you already have wrinkles, again, let's have hope in our hearts because I was able to get my pigmentation out. And of course, last but never the least, smile. Smiling is your best facial massage. Oh yeah. I want you to remember though that whatever skin type we have, even if we have imperfections or flaws, whatever color, we always should be proud of our skin. We just gotta love our imperfections and flaws that we think we have. The imperfections we think we have are our symbols of strength and beauty and courage. By the way, I also have an Instagram account if you want to follow me there because I post every day. I post many times a day. I have reels. Don't forget to follow me. That's The Real D or Jackie D. I'd love to connect with you on there. So until my next video, enjoy, be cheerful, smile. Massage your face with your smile. Bye for now.